Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 12.3. First question. Find the area of shaded region. In figure given that PQ is equal to 24, PR is equal to 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. So first of all we will draw the circle, that is a diagram is given. This is the diameter, that is a center. This is the O, and then PQR, PQR, and then these are the shaded portion. This one also will be joined, that this will be also shaded portion. So PQ is equal to, that is given, PQ is equal to, that is 24 centimeter, and then PR also is given there, 7 centimeter. So that first of all we will find QR. So QR square is equal to PR square plus PQ square. So that QR is equal to under root 7 square plus 24 square. So QR is equal to 49 plus 24 ja 576. So QR is equal to, that is under root 625. So QR is equal to, that will be 25. So R is equal to, radius is equal to, that will be 25 upon 2 centimeter, because this is the QR or radius will be this one. So area of shaded part, area of shaded part is equal to, that will be area of semicircle 1 upon 2 pi r square minus area of triangle 1 upon 2 into base into height. So that 1 upon 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 25 upon 2 into 25 upon 2, and then minus 1 upon 2, base will be 7 and then height will be 24. So that 12 ja, and then 2 11 ja, and then pi value is not given here. Okay, so that 25 ja 625, and then by 11 5 ja 55, 11 2 ja 22, 5 7, 11 say 66, 67, 68. So 68 7 5 upon 7 4 ja 28, and then 12 7 ja 84, and then by the subtraction of both, that will be come that 4. So 28 4 ja we will first of all do that one, and then or also you can write 5 4 5 5 3 upon 28 centimeter square by the subtraction of LCM. Okay, and then question number second, that is diagram also is given there. So diagram first of all we see, this is the diagram, this is a concentric circle, and then this one. So we need to find only this one area. Okay, so that is A, B, C, D, O. So first R is, that is small r is, that is 7 centimeter, or capital R is equal to 14 centimeter, and theta is equal to 40 degree. 40 degree is given here, 40 degree. So area of shaded part, area of shaded part is equal to, that is theta upon 360 pi r square minus r square, r square minus r square. So that will be 40 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into r is 14 square minus 7 square. So that 049 ja. So that 22 upon 9 multiply 7 into 4 7 21 multiply 14 less 7, that will be 7. 7 cancel by 7, 3 3 ja 3 7 ja 3 3 ja 3 7 ja. Now the multiply of both, that will be 7 2 ja 14, 7 2 ja 14 1 15 upon 3 centimeter square. That will be answer. Next, will be that find the area of the shaded region in the figure of a square is 14 centimeter. So that side is equal to, that is given 14 centimeter. So obviously that will be, radius will be half of that one, 7 centimeter. So see a diagram also. This is a, we need to find that area, shaded region area. A, B, C, D, and that is a point P. Now, here we will say area of shaded part, area of shaded part is equal to area of square, A square minus area of two semicircle means one circle. That means we can write pi r square. So that A is 14 square minus, that is 22 upon 7 into 7 cancel by 7, 14 14 ja 196, 7 2 ja 14, 7 2 ja 14 1 15. So that subtraction, 4 less 6 less 4 2, 9 less 5 4 centimeter square. Next, find the area of shaded region where the a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O. That is fourth question. See the diagram. This whole area we need to find that. So R is equal to, that is given 6 centimeter. R is equal to 6 centimeter. So side will be, obviously that will be double of that one, 12 centimeter. Now we will find the area of triangle and area of this major sector. So theta will be, obviously that will be, theta is equal to 360 minus, that is a equilateral triangle, that is a 60. So that will be 300 for our calculation. So area of shaded part, area of shaded part is equal to area of that one, theta upon 360 pi r square plus area of triangle, that will be under root 3 upon 4 a square. That theta is 300 upon 360 into pi value is not given, so 22 upon 7 into 6 plus, that will be under root 3 upon 4 into side is 12 into 12. So 2 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12, and then 0 cancel by 0, 6 ja 6 cancel by 6, 6 cancel by 6. So that is multiply by 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, and then 0 upon 7, and then plus 12 3 ja 36 under root 3 centimeter square. Then question number 5. From a corner of the square of a side 4 centimeter, quadrant of the circle, radius 1 centimeter. So side is given there 4 centimeter, and then r is equal to given 1 centimeter, and this is a diagram. That is A, B, C, D. On every corner, that is a quadrant. These are the and then in center also, that is. So we need to find these area. So here we are looking 4 quadrant. So that means one circle and then one circle more. That is a 2 circle. So area of shaded part, area of shaded part is equal to area of square, a square, minus area of 2 circle, 2 pi r square. So that area of square means 4 square minus 2 into 22 upon 7 into 1 square. 1 square, that is 1 square. So that 4 4 is 16 minus 1 square means that will be 144 upon 7. So that will be, by subtraction, that will become 68 upon 7. 68 upon 7 centimeter square answer. And then question number 6, that is just a lengthy type of question or just difficult of this exercise. That 6th question, see the diagram. We need to find the area of these part. A, B, C. That radius is also given 32. So r is equal to 32 centimeter. Or we need to that side also for finding the area of a triangle. So first of all we will do like this. So that these angles will be 120, 120. So that is a O. So here we will write angle B plus angle, that angle OBC plus angle OCB plus angle BOC is equal to, that is 180 degree by the sum of angles of triangle. So angle OBC plus angle OBC, because OBC and OCB both are the equal by the radius, plus that will be 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then 2 angle OBC is equal to 180 degree. So angle OBC, that will be cancelled, minus that will be also minus, that's not cancelled, minus 120. So that is 60 upon 2, 230 ja. So angle OBC is equal to 30 degree. We have found here this one angle, and then now you will be put the perpendicular, that will be P. So here we will apply that we have this one perpendicular, that is a hypotenuse we have, or we are finding the base. So that will be cos theta. Cos theta is equal to B upon H. So cos 30 degree is equal to base is BP and then hypotenuse is 32. So cos 30 value is under 3 upon 2 is equal to BP is equal to 32. 2 1 ja 2 16 ja. So that BP is equal to 16 under root 3. So obviously that will be, BC will be double of that one, double of 16 under root 2. So that BC is equal to 2 into 16 under root 3 is equal to 32 under root 3. Now area of shaded region. Area of shaded part is equal to, that will be area of circle, pi r square minus area of triangle, that will be under root 3 upon 4 a square. So that pi value, anything is not given here, nothing is given here, so that 22 upon 7 into, that will be 32 into 32 minus under root 3 upon 4. A is that 32 under root 3 into 32 under root 3, so that 4 8 ja 32. Now that we will multiply that all these things. 2 2 ja 4, 32 multiply 32, that 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 4 2 10 by 22, that 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 0 ja 0, 2 1 ja 2, 2 0 4 8, and then 8, that will be 2, and then 5 2 2, so 2 2 5 2 8, 2 2 5 2 8, so 2 2 5 2 8 upon 7 minus that multiply will be 768, multiply of these 768 under root 3. This is the answer. Centimeter is this girl, centimeter square. Now the question number next, 7th question. Seventh question is that in figure 12.25 ABC is a square of side 14 centimeter. So side is equal to 14 centimeter. Obviously radius will be half of that 1 centimeter. So we 4 quadrant you are looking here. So first of all we will find 4 quadrant means 1 circle. So area of shaded region, area of shaded part is equal to that area of square minus area of circle pi r square, because 4 quadrant make a circle. So area is 14 square minus that is 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. 7 cancel by 7. So 14 14 is 196 minus 7 to 14, 7 to 14 115. So that subtraction will become 42 centimeter square. And then next question, 8th. Eighth question is a track. I think everybody know the track. This is a track. Many more left between that both lines. So that here is given the distance between the two inner parallel line is 60 meter. That is a 60 meter. This also 60 meter. 60 meter. And then they are each 106 meter long. This is a 106. This will be also 106. So that will be also 106. Or this is the 10. This is the 10 also. This is also 10. This is also 10. Or this will be also 106. 106. Now that means L is equal to, that is a 106 meter, and then capital R will be, small r will be half of the diameter, that will be 30, and then capital R will be that 10 increase, that it will be 40. Now first part is that find the distance around the track along the inner edge. Inner edge track we need to one semicircle, that is a one circle. So length of distance around the inner track. So distance around the track along the inner edge. Distance of inner edge we will write here. Inner edge is equal to, that will be inner edge, so that here to here to here to here, so that will be 2 into L, 2 into L plus circumference of a circle 2 pi r, 2 pi r, so that 2 into 106 plus 2 into 22 upon 7 into, that is a 30, that will be 30. So the calculation of that will be 2 6 ja 12 or 2 1 ja 2 plus 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 2 ja 12, 1 13 upon 7. So the calculation of both that will be 2804 upon 7 meter. This is the length of inner edge. Second part, area. Area of track. Area of track is equal to, that will be area of 2 into L into B, 2 into L into B, that is a rectangle, and then this one also, that will be plus pi r square minus r square, because 2 radius are here. So 2 into L will be 106 into 10, that is a 10 plus 22 upon 7, r is, first is 40 square minus 30 square, so that 2 6 ja 12 and then 0 plus 22 upon 7 into, that is a 70 minus 10, oh sorry, 70 multiply 10, 10 ja, so that 2120 plus 2200, by the add, that will be 2034, 4320 meter square. That will be the area of track. Now the question number 7, oh sorry 9 is there, given a diagram is given there. See the diagram. One is a large A, B, C, D, and then one more circle from this point, that is a O, and then this is also. So we need to find the area of, that is shaded part. So first of all we will see that what's the given thing is here, that OA is equal to if OA is equal to, OA is means larger radius is given 7 centimeter. So smaller radius will be, that will be 7 upon 2 centimeter. Obviously that will be 7 upon 2, and then now area of shaded part. Area of shaded part is equal to area of small circle pi r square plus area of half semicircle area of larger circle minus area of triangle 1 upon 2 into base into height. So that 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2, then plus 1 upon 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 minus 1 upon 2 into, that is a base is 14 multiply 7. So 7 ja, that 2 11 ja, 7 cancel by 7, 7 cancel by 7, 2 11 ja. So 11 7 ja 77 upon 2, and then plus 77 minus 7 7 ja 49. Now you will be see here then 77 upon 2 plus that is 77 subtract 49, that will be 28. Now the addition of both, that will be 77 upon 2 by the LCM you can see here plus 28 2 ja 56. So देखो 7 6 13, 7 by 12 and 13 upon 2. So by decimal you can write 6 ja decimal 5. So 66.5 centimeter square. And then 10th question, you can see the diagram here. 3 circles are there, each other by same radius. We need to find out the area of this one. A, B, C. That side area is equal to is given there. Area is given. So area of ABC. Area ABC is equal to, that is 17320 decimal 5. Or area of equilateral triangle we know that under root 3 upon 4 a square is equal to 17320 decimal 5. So that under root 3 value is also given there, 1.7320 upon 4 into a square is equal to 17320 by decimal. Now that now you will see that a square is equal to 17320 decimal 5 into 4 upon, that will be 1.7320 by the decimal cancellation, that will be 400, or that will be 1 2 3 4 5. So 40 will become. So this cancel by this. So a square is equal to, that will be 200 square. Square cancel by square. So a is equal to 200. So r must be that half of this one, 100 centimeter. Now area of shaded part. Area of shaded part is equal to, that will be area of triangle minus that is given area 17320 decimal 5 minus area of 3 quadrant, 3 multiply theta upon 360 pi r square. So that 17320 decimal 5 minus, that will be 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, theta is 60 degree upon 120 into 3 decimal 14, pi value is given here, 3 decimal 14 into 100 into 100. So that 17320 decimal 5 minus 6 2 ja 250 ja 250 ja. So that will be minus by subtraction of these 3, that will be 5 4 ja 20 or 5 1 ja 5 6 7 or 5 3 ja 15, and then by the subtraction of that that will be 1620 decimal 5 centimeter square. Now the question number 11. 11th question, you are looking r is equal to 7. R is equal to, that is 7 centimeter, and you are looking in diagram, that is a 9 circle. So that side will be that side will be, that is 7 centimeter. So side will be that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 multiply 7 is equal to 42 centimeter. Now, area of remaining portion. Area of remaining. Now we are finding remaining portion is equal to, that will be area of square, that a square minus 9 pi r square. That because 9 circles are given in that box. So a means, that is a 42 square minus 9 into 22 upon 7 into that side is 7 into 7. 7 cancel by 7. So 42 ja, that will be 42 ja, we can multiply here. 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, 4 4 ja 16, 4 8 8 16, 7 1. So that 1764 minus that 9 7 ja 63, multiply 22, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 12 6, that will be 6 8 3 1, 1 3 8 6, and then by the subtraction of that will be 378 centimeter, that is centimeter square. Next question, that 12th question. Diagram is here given. You can see the diagram also. And then one more, this line is that A, B, C, D, O. So that radius is equal to 3.5, R is equal to 3.5, it means this one, or this one also we can say, and OD is equal to, that is 2 centimeter. So area of shaded region, this region we need to find the area. So area, sorry, first part is area of quadrant OAC. So area OACB, it means whole area. So that will be, quadrant means 1 upon 4 pi r square. So that 1 upon 4 into 22 upon 7 into r is 3.5 into 3.5. So that 7 5 ja 35, and then or we can reduce the decimal also, that will be 0 by this 0. Now 5 8 ja 40, 2 11 ja 2 40 ja 5 7 ja 5 8 ja. So that 11 7 ja 77 upon 8 centimeter square. And then second part, of this area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to, that area we have find here 77 8 minus area of triangle 1 upon 2 into base into height. So that 77 upon 8 minus 1 upon 2 into that base is 3.5, and then multiply height is, that is given OD 2 centimeter. 2 cancel. So 77 upon 8 minus that we can write this one also by the cancel of this one, 0 will be that 10. So 5 7 ja 5, 2 ja, so that will be 7 upon 2. So by LCM that will be answer 49 upon 8, 49 upon 8 centimeter square. Now the 13th question, that is diagram given. You see the diagram here. That is a quadrant and then this is a square. So we need to find the area of these part. So that A, B, C, O, P, Q. So that that is OA is equal to, that is given 20 centimeter. OA is equal to 20 centimeter is that given. So find the area of certain region. So that first of all we will find the radius. This will be radius. So that OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. So that this is a square. So obviously that will be 20. 20 square plus 20 square, or we can leave their square here, so that will be, so OB is equal to, that must be 20 under root 2. 20 under root, that will be 2. Now now area of quadrant, area of shaded part, area of shaded part is equal to, that will be area of quadrant 1 upon 4 pi r square minus area of square, it means a square. So 1 upon 4 into 3.14 into radius is 20 under root 2 into 20 under root 2 minus side is, that is given 20 square. So that 4 5 ja 20. Say that by multiply, that will be under root 2 under root 2, that will be 2. 2 5 ja 10. 10. So 2 2 4 ja 8 or 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6 minus 400. So that will be, by subtraction of that thing, that will be 228 centimeter square answer. And then next question, 13th question you will be see, that is a 14th question, not 13. 14th question, that is first R is given there 21 centimeter, second R is given 7 centimeter, and then theta is equal to, this is given 30 degree. So area of shaded part, area of shaded part is equal to, that will be theta upon 360 pi r square minus r square. So that will be, theta is 30 degree upon 360 into pi value is not given here. So that 22 upon 7 bracket 21 square minus 7 square. So that 3 3 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, and then 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. So that 11 upon 6 7 ja 42 multiply, that will be 21 plus 7 28 into 21 14. So that 14 3 ja 14 3 ja. So that by subtraction of this or multiply of this, 11 8 ja 88, 11 to 22 30, 300 upon 3 centimeter square answer. And then question number 14 you will be see here something different. 15th you will be see, I'll be explain how you will be do easily of this question? A, C, B, and then this is a quadrant of circle, or this is a semicircle. We need to find the area of this part. We need to find the area of this part. So first of all, we will find the radius of this one. This is the radius of 4 semicircle. So area of semicircle minus area of, that is a segment. Area of segment. So see that R is equal to, that is given, R is equal to the given 14 centimeter. So obviously that area of triangle will be also that one. So area of shaded part is equal to area of triangle. Area of triangle must be equal that area of triangle. So area of triangle will be that 1 upon 2 into base into height. So that 1 upon 2 into base is, that will be 14, or height will be also 14. 14 7 ja. So 14 7 ja 98 centimeter square. This is the short method of finding the area of this shaded part. This shaded part area is equal to this triangle area is equal. Or if you want to solve in large method, then first of all you will find the area of segment, and then you will find the radius of the semicircle, and then area of semicircle minus area of that segment you will be find. And then question number 16. 16th question is that, and last question, calculate the area of design region in the, that is a square. Square means you know that all sides are equal, and then this design had made, this design has made it, and then this is a 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. So radius will be also 8 centimeter. Side is equal to 8 centimeter. So R will be also 8 centimeter. So that this is the design area. We need to find the area of this one. So first of all, we will find the area of this sector and this sector, and then minus the area of square. Why? Because this sector is coming, segment is coming 2 times. So that area of shaded part is equal to 2. Both sector are same. So 2 multiply theta upon 360 pi r square minus a square. So 2 into, that is a 90 upon 360 into pi value is, that is 22 upon 7 into r is 8 into 8 minus 8 square. Okay, and then and then 0 0 9 4 ja 36, 2 ja, and then that will be 2 11 ja. So that 8 8 ja 64, 11 11 4 ja 44, 11 is 66, 704 upon 7 minus 8 8 ja 64, and then by the subtraction of this will be 256 upon 7, that will be centimeter square. Okay.